What's up, y'all? Grab your SPF and a swimsuit because today we're island hopping. We're jumping off the boat. We're snorkeling. We're gonna see 6 different places and it's gonna be gorgeous.
You've reached the destination.
All 3 times that I've visited Thailand, I've been by myself, solo dolo. So as much as I would love to take one of these private long-tail boats on island excursions, I just can't afford it. It's too expensive.
What number?
2.
2, okay.
So instead, I book with a tour group who takes you out in a speedboat with a bunch of strangers like this. You can book tours like this in advance online, or you can just show up to your hotel and they will have a desk that will do it for you, which is what I did for this trip. This fee includes pickup from your hotel in the morning, lunch halfway through the trip, and drop off to your hotel in the afternoon. I like to sit in the front always because it's quieter and I want to see everything, but I recommend you do the same if you get motion sickness. Getting to know other passengers on these trips is always interesting. On this one, I was with some lads from the UK.
Okay, no. Well, if you had gymnastics, do you reckon I can see? Drive it out. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, straight. Hello, 2 people, can I? 2, in here.
They clearly oversold this boat. Like, there are too many people on here, so we had to do some shifting around for seats. But once we got situated, why do they call it Pig Island? Well, obviously, because there are pigs here. I don't know why I thought they would be pink. Wrong country.
Oh, hello.
Black pigs matter. The little ones are really cute, but they stink. They all stink because they're pigs. And this is not what I came here for. Perhaps she did, but me? I came for this. 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 And this. Time to say goodbye to the pigs and the dogs and get back in the boat. Next stop, Maya Bay, home of the film The Beach, starring Leonardo DiCaprio. Now, full disclosure, this is 2018 when I was there, and back then they were trying to restore the beach from too many tourists. All you could do was pull up and take a photo. But now, the beach has been restored. So now you can go there along with thousands of other tourists. There's one way in and one way out. So have a good time navigating through the crowds, trying to get a picture with no one in it. You can go early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid crowds. I mean, every single post on my Instagram feed from Maya Bay recently looks just like that one. Hectic. Make sure you watch this video all the way until the end because I saved the best island, according to Google, for last. And how are you gonna tell me in the comments which one you wanna visit the most if you didn't see all of them, huh? Okay, let's go. Back to the boat. Or in a different boat this time. The water is a bit choppy as it is pretty windy today. Aw, poor thing. Don't worry, she was fine when we stopped and saw this. So I've just arrived here at, what is this? Nangyuan. I should know how to say that. It's also in Chinese. And I made 2 new friends on the ride here.
Hey, what's up? Travel vlog for here.
This is Brent and Maxine. Yeah. And we're about to go explore. Yay! Look at this water. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Koh Nangyuan is a private island, so you do have to pay an entry fee of 250 baht, which is about $8 US. If you book one of the tours like the one we're on, they take the entry fee from you when you first start the tour and give you your tickets on the boat. Small price to pay to keep things this pristine. Nangyuan is actually 3 small islands that are connected by 2 sandbars. As you can see, there isn't a whole lot of beach, not a lot of areas for you to just lay out and relax. But that's not really what this is for. This is a diver's island, and if you're into diving or snorkeling, this is where you want to be. Alright, I look like a crazy tourist with this thing around my neck, but I don't want to take it off. I'm about to go snorkeling. I'm gonna snorkel. And I'm about to look like a mess for the rest of this trip. I need one of these because this phone in a bag wrapped around my neck is not working very well. But you know, you get the Sebastian under the sea vibes going on here. One important thing to keep in mind:
don't step on the coral.
Even though it looks like it's dead, I mean, there still could be living things in there, and the fish feed off of it. You're just messing up their whole little ecosystem when you step on it, okay? So be careful. Koh Nangyuan and Koh Tao offer some of the best snorkeling in the world. You can get your diving certification here, and I'm seriously considering doing that next time. I had way too much fun snorkeling. I was down here looking for the shark. Yes, there's a baby shark that lives in this cove. A lot of people saw it. I did not. There was some cool puffer fish too, and there are even sea turtles. I did see the sea turtles, but I did not get them on camera, sadly. They're there though. You should go check them out. That was super fun. I feel like a whole ass little mermaid out here. After all that snorkeling, you might be a little hungry. Don't worry, there's a little cafe over here. You can grab a snack and a drink. If you're lucky, you might even find a chair with an umbrella. But if not, it's cool. Look at where we are.
Hi. Did you get some good shots? Yeah. It's so nice here. It's so pretty.
We only had 2 hours here, so it's time to go.
No, I don't want to leave. I just want to stay here.
So I'm not even gonna front. I love this island so much, I went twice. I came back because I did not get a chance to climb up to the viewing peak. The one we're looking down at right now. Yeah, you can climb up there. I did not do this little hike, and I severely regret it when I got back on the boat and saw everybody's pictures. I was like, what? I need this photo. I thought about photoshopping it, just taking a new friend and, you know, sticking me on top, but that's not how we live over here. We live in authenticity. And this island is incredibly beautiful, so hi there. It's a 15-minute walk up a narrow set of stairs that you will have to pause on because it's steep and there will be people coming down the same way. And yeah, you're probably gonna have to queue up depending on what time you get here. Oh, and at the top, you're actually gonna have to climb those boulders, and they are huge. I needed a boost. Shout out to the guy that helped me. But I promise, once you get up there, it's totally worth it.
Why have I got his phone? Okay, yeah, if your whole group wants to come up here, you can wait on this rock. This one? Alright. Yeah.
After the photo shoot, I climbed down from the rocks and took a closer look at the resort that is on this island. I thought about staying here because I love this place so much, but the reviews were not good. It's better to stay on nearby Koh Tao and just take a short boat ride over. Speaking of boats, doesn't this one look fun? If I came with some friends, this would be lit. You can slide off. They had all kind of party stuff going on, but this is our chariot today.
After lunch, we head down to the beach. I tell you, the other side of the island is going to do snorkeling. Okay, you can leave the heavy bag in the boat. Just take handphone, camera, ticket, get out with you, yeah? Yeah, buy you everything.
There you go.
Can I join you guys?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
So if you need light vest, we wear the light vest as well. So get out the deep.
While my new pals were being mermaids, I decided to fly my drone off a boat for the very first time. Flying is easy. It's the landing that's scary, especially on a boat.
But yay, I did it, woohoo!
Well, here's one place I never want to go again. Never need to. It's just an island with a bunch of slightly vicious, crazy monkeys. And you know, not too much on the monkeys because it's really the tourists that taunt them and tease them and do all the things that they tell you over and over again not to do. Don't feed the monkeys. Don't taunt the monkeys. Stop running up on the monkeys with your camera. Secure your bags. Literally. Don't bring snacks over here if they're not tightly wrapped up in your bag. The monkeys will find it. You should have paid attention better, and I hope it's something that can be easily replaced because you're never getting it back. Welcome to the #1 must-see island in the world, Koh Phi Phi. Koh Phi Phi is a group of islands, including Monkey Island. It's not just one place. So you take these tours and you hit all of the little nooks and crannies, and it is absolutely stunning. It's so gorgeous that you won't even mind that there's 172 other boats there.
Okay.
The tours also include snorkeling equipment. If you don't know how to snorkel, don't worry. Just tell a tour guide and they will show you how to put your mask on and how to breathe. Just make sure you know how to swim or at least float before your trip here. Fellow solo travelers, fear not. The tour guides are awesome. They'll look out for you and they'll take all the photos and videos you want. Just don't forget to tip them, especially when they do stuff like this. If the boat suddenly stops in the middle of nowhere, get your cameras out because you're about to witness something great.
Yeah, today lucky day, yeah.
Wow.
Happy hour, yeah.
What's in this in here?
Yeah, that's a whale.
This is not a dolphin, no. 오, 여러 마리야.
There's two. At this point, they were too far away to see clearly on camera, but you get the idea. What an amazing way to end this trip. Well, there you have it, a 6-island tour with me, the destination. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which one of these 6 places you want to visit in 2023. If you enjoyed your tour today, please don't forget to leave a tip in the form of hitting the subscribe button. Oh, you already subscribed? Thank you. Make sure you hit the share button and tell a friend, especially if they have travel plans this summer. See you at the next destination. Ew, it tastes gross.